So in the PMBOK guide, or the Project Management Body of Knowledge guide, this is one of the greatest things that you'll come across, and I refer to this all the time when I was studying for my PMP personally. So this shows us all of the knowledge areas down the left, and this is in 1.3 of the PMBOK guide. Over to the right here, we've got the different process groups. So what this means is the knowledge areas, we've got things like scope, the schedule of the project, the cost, the quality, so testing or making sure that the quality is okay. We've got communicating to our project stakeholders, getting the resources for our project. All of these things will be a part of your project management plan, and they'll be integrated into the project management plan through this overall knowledge area of project integration management. But then as we're going along from start over to finish over the right hand side here, we're initiating a project initially with a project charter, identifying our stakeholders, and then we're planning that project. So we're planning the scope, we're planning the schedule, planning the cost, planning the quality and the risks and all of that. Then we're executing on that with our executing process group, monitoring and controlling it to make sure that it doesn't go off the rails and we're keeping it on track. And then finally delivering that to BAU or the business or our customers and closing that project off, because it is a temporary thing, remember. So as we've seen, there are many different things involved. There's multiple bits of information, there's multiple ways to manage a project, there's multiple ways to kick off a project, and multiple reasons to kick off a project. And so basically all that comes down to is that we can tailor a project in many different ways. We can use multiple different life cycles, so waterfall or agile. You might have co-located teams or teams all over the country and doing them over Skype or video call or that sort of thing. You might be governed in a different way. So you might have a supportive project management office, a controlling or directive project management office, and we'll go into that in a second as well. But you might have different sponsors, so they might want daily reports or maybe weekly reports, or maybe they don't want any reports at all. So all of these things just change how we end up managing the project, and that makes every project quite unique.